Welcome back. For create new article, I use it admin and blog and create article. For create article, I type title and slug and body. Submit. I see this error, user ID. For create, we can need the user ID. For access the user ID, the user need login, or we can edit the user list. I say user needed to login. I use this and other and middleware us. Okay. In middleware us, I log in this page. If I refresh home controller and return, remove return and refresh home, I log in. Okay, back and back. For use of this user ID, we can use in blog controller and in store method, and we can edit user ID. In first open article model and add user ID. Okay, after this open the blog controller for store method. I create a request all and needed access to user ID. We can use this way, but in real project I say how to work with scenes and other method, but in this way I use create this way. Title, we can use user ID user login it as user, access to as user and ID. For access, for check as user ID, dd as user ID and submit as user ID 1 and use this title, use $request title and this body and slug. Okay, if refresh and recent data, create new data, and if article refresh, I create new of this. Okay. For second, we can use our as user and use a relation between this. I copy this and Ctrl Z and Ctrl Z and Ctrl and Z. Okay, request. I copy this and comment. And comment this. Okay, for create method in article, I remove this and as user access to in user method articles, and use these articles and use create request all and go to create new request title, new or this or change and submit. And title does not have a default value. Why? Value, remove this and remove this and refresh and create, and it is create in this. We can access the articles and user name. I use this for update method, this. Okay, and if open the index in this, I added a new column and say user created, and use this and define in this access to article and access to a user and name. If refresh, see username, access to user, access to name. For example, Tawhid, and created fake user.